Okay, so we're going to start working on exploring triangles, which you guys kind of are familiar with because we talked about angles. So this, in fact, may even be a little bit easier than other things you've been doing because it's really not that difficult at all. So if somebody could, Alicia, if you could just pull this down to find out what joy and excitement awaits us. Yeah, try just, there we go. Thank you very much. Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to name and sort triangles according to the number of equal sides and equal angles. So it's not going to be that scary. Just number of equal sides, number of equal angles. All right? Okay, so you're going to work with a partner beside you. So I'm going to need to get, all you're going to need is, hang on, all you're going to need is 9 toothpicks, a ruler, a protractor, and some scissors. And once those materials are gathered, I'll tell you what we're going to do. So I'm going to go grab the toothpicks. All right. So what are some ways that we can find attributes of triangles? Okay, there's actually 3 ways we can do that to identify triangles. Amanda, could you, I think, tap on one of these stars and we'll see if there's one way underneath. You might have to be a double tap too. Oh, we can use a ruler to measure the lengths of the sides. That can tell us things about triangles. Some triangles have sides all the same length. Some, they're all different. So that's one thing you can do, right? Let's see here.
No.
There, and just, you know, because Ryan was upset there were no animated GIF, so I just put one in for Ryan, just so he's happy and he's okay with that. Okay, the sides. So this is a kind of a triangle called an equilateral triangle. Just by looking at it, does anybody want to make any sort of conclusions about the lengths of the sides in an equilateral triangle? Dana? From what Dana looks, when she's looking at it, she sees that all 3 sides are equal. So I just need someone to try, to use, hopefully the ruler works, to just take the ruler, and it should allow you to spin it, right? So that you're able to line it up a little bit better. Let's see here. Riley, let's get a measurement of those sides and see what we notice. So pick a side to measure and we'll see what it's basically at. Yeah, maybe just because, yeah, like imagine that 0 there. So what does it generally look like it's about? Okay, so we know that the bottom, it looks like it's about 7 centimeters. Okay, Riley, you want to try the other side? It's still an equilateral triangle. We know that all 3 sides were the same length. Let's check out what's the deal with the angles in an equilateral triangle. It's a little bit fuzzy. I might try and make it a little bit bigger just so but it's not too bad. You can still kind of see. So let's see here. Riley, could you pick the next person to just come up and... oh, I guess we should... Okay, what do you guys get grumpy about? Yeah, boy-girl thing. It's got to be a girl.
Okay. Dana?
All right. So hopefully it will also allow you to rotate. Yeah, okay. That's pretty good. What do you think? 60 sounds good to me, so that's 1. Okay, this is supposed to have a picture on it. I don't know. Okay, I need somebody to name that triangle. Is it equilateral, isosceles, or scalene? And supposedly you tap it, and the answer will reveal itself. This is so difficult. Alicia, name that triangle. Tap it to see if you're right. Equilateral!